There we go.
File secure.
Yeah, good to go. Just look at how tiny. I got a gift. Oh, sweet. Are these mine?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It's happening. Check this out, boys and girls. Oh yeah. Look at all those baby clownfish. Been there, done that, and doing it again. Hopefully I don't get knocked out. Well, Karen.
I love it, it's cool.
I'm here. I didn't want to get yelled at, so I decided to show up. No, I'm just kidding. I did see that comment though, and a lot of people have been asking me to get clownfish, so I came to the best place to do it. Pro Aquatics, we're here. What is going on? Welcome back to another video. This warehouse is absolutely full to the brim of beautiful clownfish and more fish as well. So it's gonna be an absolutely epic video. Who knows what we're gonna end up leaving with? I came fully ready for just about anything. Now, when I said this place is full of clownfish, I was not kidding. I mean, every single one of these is just loaded with clownfish. All different types. You guys know, I'm not exactly the most familiar with all this stuff yet. I'm still learning as I go. But I tell you what, we're gonna learn a lot today. We're gonna see a lot today. We're gonna buy a lot today. Look at this one tub right here. Look how many clownfish are in this one tub. There's just like tens of thousands in here. I've got a couple people that have been working here for over 2 decades, 20-something years, and they're gonna give us the best run through possible.
Hi, I'm Eric Wagner with Pro Aquatics. I'm the owner of Pro Aquatics, and this is where the story starts. We raise clownfish, and this is where we make the salt. This is where we make the water.
So there's a total of 6,000 gallons in each of these tubs. So 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, and there's another tower that has another 6,000. So lots and lots and lots of salt water to keep this place flowing. And this is exactly where everything starts. We're gonna show you from the very, very start to where the fish end up.
Here's our clownfish brood stock. These are the parent fish that spawn all the our nice little baby clownfish.
They're hiding back there.
Oh my gosh, look at how big.
You can see him. Oh, look at that guy. That's crazy.
Many of them are the same species, but we breed the different colors and patterns into them. This is the same species as these all black ones, which is the same species as this. They do not exist in nature. Those varieties do not exist in nature. We have bred those qualities into the fish. Us and other producers as well.
That's awesome. And just behind us here, they're just about everywhere you could look. There's another pair. And now, are these tiles in here so they can put their eggs, right?
The tiles are so they can lay their eggs on the tiles. They lay about 300 to 400 eggs every 2 weeks.
So this is literally where all the adults are just pretty much creating babies for the entire rest of the facility to keep cranking.
We have some helmet Picassos.
That's a really cool looking one. Wow, wow, the long fins.
Those are called thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms, wow.
Not yet released.
Not yet released, Pro Aquatics secrets right here.
Yes.
That's crazy, bro. We're kind of trapping the owner Eric into the corner here, so let's work our way back at all 250 something of these tanks and get on to the next step. Cool?
Cool.
All right, let's do it. So this is where we just were. Now there's a whole nother section right here. A whole nother section. There's literally 2 of those. Hey, Blaine.
Hi, Paul.
He's all the way at the end. We got a bunch of food here. I'm not exactly sure what I'm getting myself into. A whole lot of bait. That's what I know I got in my hand. Where are we going?
We are going over to the Golden Trevally.
Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Golden Trevally. How big is this?
Well over a foot long. These are our broodstock parents. They're the ones that spawn all the babies that go to the public aquariums.
And this is crazy because, guys, we're not just talking about clowns today. We're getting into the Golden Trevallies, tangs, angelfish. Oh my goodness, you weren't kidding.
Oh my.
Oh, that is epic. Been there, done that, and doing it again. Hopefully I don't get knocked out. Oh! Yep, that worked. Hopefully I got it on video. I'm not doing that again. Wow, I love the stripe.
Oh!
That is
Super wet. Oh!
That's awesome.
Welcome to the splash.
These are the Fusillaires, and we are the first ones to bring these to commercial market here in the United States. Red belly, yellow-tailed Fusillaires.
That is absolutely beautiful. So what's the purpose of these domes? It's just a curious question.
These domes are to keep the light and outside light from penetrating so that we can manipulate the day-night cycle.
Wow.
And as we do that, we kind of trick the fish into thinking it's either winter, spring, summer, and that way we can condition them and get more than one cycle per year out of our fish.
Smart. Right now, what time is it in there?
Right now, it is spring.
It's spring in there.
Yes.
And it's fall out here.
And we are expecting them to start spawning very soon.
Super cool to experience. I'll tell you what, and I'm glad I got to take you guys along with me. This right here has a sole purpose. I figure, that's why I asked.
Inside this door is our hatchery. This is the next step in the process. This is where we take the eggs, hatch them out, grow the babies, and then eventually grow them into the fish that you buy.
And we have to spray our hands with alcohol, right?
We do.
There we go.
Biosecure.
Yeah, good to go. So inside this right here is 5,000 to 6,000 baby clownfish. And if you look really closely, there's a lot. Just look at how tiny. I mean, I can't even I'm trying to get them on video, but they're so cute. 10-4.
Oh my gosh, those are fish?
Yeah, those are, wait,
fish
if I
in
can
here?
focus, look at them.
Oh man, they're tiny. You guys are not even gonna see them. They're actually little specks.
They look like little
That's
copepods.
What kind of?
If you look really closely, these are they're like one step further. And holy smokes, they're tiny. So back into here we go. And now, what is the percentage of survival for these clowns in there?
The clowns, usually about 90% from egg to juvenile, but there are some other fish like Fusilier, we might get 500 out of 10,000 eggs.
Every species obviously has a different survival rate. Clowns, they're up there. So the ones I just fed out of my mouth,
Look at them, dude.
here is the babies.
Look at them all just come up to the surface. That's amazing.
They go to eat my camera. Oh, they got it wet. I don't have food for you guys, I'm sorry, but you're very, very cool looking. You see, I'd love to get a big one of those, the one I just fed out of my mouth a second ago. Unfortunately, they'll eat a lot of the fish that we might plan to get, including the clowns, the baby clowns, smoked. We get distracted by these ponds very, very easily. Let's get to the next step of where the clowns go to. As you can see, it's like the next step for all these clownfish. They get a little bit bigger and then they come out here into these big old tubs, and by the thousands, they grow. These are 6'4", so
6'4", hey, my
4 months old. Thanks, man.
No problem.
What is this?
You gotta open it up.
We gotta open this up here.
That's falling in.
I got a gift. Oh, sweet.
There's like 4 or 5 of them in there.
We got 5 anemones. Anemones. Perfect.
Those will go in the pond. All those clowns will love it.
Thanks, guys.
Anytime, buddy.
Well, shout out to Top Shelf. They just gave me some anemones since we're here to pick up clownfish today. Both the guys over at Top Shelf and here at Pro Aquatics have suggested that we do about how many? Like 50?
50. Yeah.
About 50 clownfish for this pond.
You got plenty of space there. You get like 10 in there, you'll never see them.
You won't even see them, yeah. So, whew, it's gonna be a fun day. Look at that gigantic ball of clowns. Just, whoop, imagine scooping that. There's so many. There's so many. Look at them all. Look at them all in there. Look at them all. So this right here is the tub we're gonna be selecting our clownfish from. H6. H6 has a variety of kinds down in here. If you look down in there, so they're just gonna start netting, and we're gonna start bagging. That is hand picking at its finest right there. And select. That's literally hand picking. About as good as it gets right there. Holy smokes. Oh, that was sick. Check that out, guys. All these guys are gonna be on our pond later today. And we're doing 25 out of this tub, and then 25 out of this tub down here. Take a look.
Trying to do like a decent variety.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so insane. Like seeing that many fish in there is just gonna be so cool. Are these mine?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's happening. What happened? I didn't even know what we were doing here, but these are all the ones.
Dude, that is crazy. You, my friend, are a crazy person. Sorry.
You are crazy, dude.
Who buys 50? Yeah. Dude, I guess me. Look at them. Holy smokes. They look awesome with the white backdrop. That is freaking epic. So you look at that and you're like, okay, yeah, those, we need 50 for a reason. They're small, so they're obviously gonna grow, but you will not see them in the pond unless we had the amount that we're getting.
Yeah, I got a bag over here.
Look at the colors on that one. Oh my goodness, the pattern. I like that one. Crazy.
That is a lot of clownfish.
Yep.
You excited, Paul?
Super excited. Got the clowns, fellas. Time to air it up. Air it up. Time to put some air in the bag.
So over here is their hot seat or their WYSIWYG fish. So Pro Aquatics is a breeder, so unfortunately they can't sell directly to the public, but I can sell them directly to you. So if you go onto Pro Aquatics' website, they have all their hot seat available to the public to see. Just let us know at Top Shelf Aquatics and I'll make them either ship them to you, come to the store and get them. But if you see a pair that you really like, please let us know and we'll make it happen.
And the link for that all is in the description down below. Go browse the website. If you guys see any pairs that you like, just hit them up. They'll make it happen for you. And trust me, even if you're not in the market for these clownfish right now, at least go browse that website because you will not regret it. Just scrolling makes you put a smile on your face. Like actually, the amount of fish and the beauty is insane.
So if you go through their hot seat and you don't see anything that you like, they actually have all their stock lists as well on their website. So they have all their gladiators, their storms, whatever you want. You can go through their website and say, hey, I didn't see anything like, I want this color of clown. Let us know and we'll bring it in for you as well.
That is it for Pro Aquatics, Eric. Appreciate you having me. Thank you so much
for coming.
It is an insane place. And we have a full box. A full box of fish to come home. We're gonna get going. Thanks, Eric.
Enjoy.
It was a great time. Oh, it was taped. I forgot they taped it. Check this out, boys and girls. Oh yeah! A whole school of them. Oh my gosh, look at.
They're all in a ball, dude.
They're all in a ball. Wait till they go in here.
Tell them what you're doing right now.
All right, we are acclimating these clownfish. I'm really hoping that everything goes swell here. We got 25 in this bag. We got 25 in this bag. Oh my gosh, look at how cool they are.
Dude, what a shot.
That is insane.
What a shot.
We're gonna drop our anemones down. They'll settle in. By the time these guys go in, the anemones should be hooked somewhere. Not that these clownfish are even gonna really pay much attention to the anemones. They're more likely just gonna be in a big ball. Pro Aquatics even said that because they are tank raised from the very beginning, as you saw the babies. So they don't really know what an anemone and an anemone is, We do as humans, they don't. They've never seen one till now. They'll figure it out eventually, and if they don't ever figure it out, at least they're in there when they do.
Going down.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Let her down.
They're going.
As you can see, look at them all. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there. Another one, if I turn this pump off again, you'll see another one in there. There's one up front here. The anemones, they're there. I do want to get one more blue light on the back side. I think it'd just be smart, but hopefully the anemones do good. This is kind of a cool view. Dude. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. The parrotfish is so dope. And then you got the freaking soldier fish right to the left of them. All the pajamas in the back.
Yo, that's the furthest I've seen the parrotfish come out. Yeah, look, he's gonna go grab that food.
He's exploring. Boom. Oh my gosh, bro.
So many different colors in that one bag. There's
That's
so many different
crazy.
patterns.
They're still acclimating. We're gonna give it a little bit.
Probably got like 5 more minutes on them, right?
They'll be good to go. That's probably the best shot we've got of them. If this video doesn't get 1,340,000 likes, I don't know what's gonna get that. I know, that's a little. Smash the like button. It's time, it's time, it's time. Because I could probably just grab it with my hand the whole
You
ball.
probably could.
Look at all those baby clownfish. They're so cute. Check that out. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Is that real life? Holy smokes. They're swimming out. This is a giant ball and they're slowly going away. Dude, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Look at them go.
Looks like we already have a pair right there. One's bigger, one's smaller. They just haven't left each other's side since we dumped them all in. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, baby mama. I am so excited for this. Look at how beautiful those clowns are. Wow.
That orange storm back there is insane.
Yes, dude, that's the one I pointed out while we were there. Check this out, ready? Look at the coloration of Every one of them is different too. That's the coolest
That
part.
orange storm is so crazy.
Go, here we go! Woo! Woo! Whole nother pond. Those are crazy colors, bro. A whole nother pod. And those ones are crazy colors, bro. Those are crazy. Some of them are soon off and they're meeting with the others over there. Look at the originals going to meet them.
They're going in the same bowl as them. Dude, and then you got this one big black one all the way in the corner with the regular pod.
So a lot of the clowns are spending the time right here in this corner because it's exactly what the squirrelfish did in the video. This is like the safest corner from where we released them. Once they make their way over to the rock, they'll be a lot more comfortable. I'm gonna pick up the camera here just like I did last video in just a couple hours, maybe even tomorrow when they're a bit more spread out. I just walked in here a couple hours later. Look at all the clowns just spread out. Oh my goodness. How epic is this tank? Oh my gosh, thank God we did community. It looks so good. Turn the building lights on. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is the coolest thing ever. Ah! Ah! They're always just coming right up.
Look at our guy.
And over there, there's so many.
Look, you see him against the wall?
Pajamas in the back.
Look at your pond.
Look at how crazy this is.
Are they eating it?
The monos are eating. We threw some shrimp in there to see if they would eat. But it's just so crazy to see how much life is in here already. They're coming up to eat?
Look at this.
Oh yeah, they're eating. Oh heck yeah, they're eating. Already. Let's see if I can get one to eat on camera. Oh my gosh, it looks so good in here. Look how much life there is already, bro. Just throw a little shrimp in there and all the pajamas come out. Our parrotfish is out. The clowns are all out.
The parrotfish is really
It's truly incredible. It really is. I hope you guys like the way the pond is coming along. If you do, make sure to smash that like button for me. I cannot wait to get tangs. Bro, when we get tangs, it's gonna look absolutely nuts in here. We have some more bigger movement over here. Now it has just been a couple hours since you've released these clowns. They're already eating. This is probably the coolest thing we've ever done. I'm so glad that we went with the community tank choice. I really hope you can all agree just how beautiful and how much movement there is in this tank. And these are just the small fish. We're obviously gonna plan to get some tangs of all sizes and some really, really cool stuff in the future. I can't wait to share those videos. They're coming sooner than you know it. I am gonna let this amount of fish that we have in here now chill for a little bit, at least a month, and just see how everything acclimates and does in here. Once that's secured in the bag, we'll start getting some crazy stuff like the shark. I had an absolute blast filming this video, and a massive shout out to Pro Aquatics for having us out. It's a great opportunity to go there and film that place. I don't know if any other creator has ever filmed there. I don't even know if they allow filming there. We got very, very lucky with the hookup from Top Shelf. Again, another big shout out to Top Shelf. They are the best over there. Make sure if you are interested in clownfish or saltwater fish, to be honest with you, check out those links down below. The pond looks absolutely amazing. Just one good glance around and you just see so many different species. It's nuts. I am honestly, I'm lost for words. The water is so clear. It's better than I could have ever imagined it coming out. That's for sure. They're doing so good and they look so happy. They're not even like scared. I really thought they were gonna stay in a ball and like just be so terrified in here because it's so big. They're just spread out everywhere. Like they're just swimming everywhere you can look. They're swimming around. To be honest with you, the pajama fish are more huddled around the reef than the actual clownfish themselves. In just a couple days, October 11th, we are releasing PC Aquatics, where you'll be able to get some epic freshwater fish. We're gonna have a lot of stuff on PC Aquatics, and I've been teasing this site for many months now. I've been working on it for over a year. As you can see, everything behind me is actually involved with the PC Aquatics. I'm taking this really, really seriously, and I really hope you guys take the time to go check out PCAquatics.shop when it does launch on October 11th. We made custom PC aquariums, literally custom PC aquariums, which obviously I'm not gonna show that yet. In a couple days you'll see them on the website. Set your reminders. I'll probably launch a YouTube video when I launch the website, so that's also a good reminder. Make sure your bell is on. Thank y'all so much for the support. Make sure you're subscribing down below and smash that like button for more videos just like this. I'll see you right back here in the very next one. Peace, Cuffaros. Oh my gosh, they're literally in balls, in literal balls, like my balls.